How to enable the adaptive power mode on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, if your iPhone is running on iOS 26, you can enable the adaptive power mode. To do so, you have to head over to settings and check for software update. Tap on it, and if you have iOS 26, you will have the option of adaptive mode. So, once you have checked for your iOS device and update, head over to battery and tap on it. Here you will see an option of adaptive power mode. Just toggle it on. Now this way your iPhone will intelligently adjust performance like dimming the display or delaying non-essential tasks during high battery usage to extend the battery life. Likewise, you can also toggle on the option of low power mode, so it will also reduce the background activity like download. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.